20,000 years ago, humanity was still learning how to survive. This is a day in the life of a Paleolithic hunter. As the fire dims, the Paleolithic family slowly awakens. A new day begins. Every day began with one goal: food. There it is, one breath, one chance. Or Paleolithic man, every successful hunt meant survival. This time, they will eat. While hunters roam the forest, the women gather wild berries. Each hand that works ensures the tribe's survival. By the water's edge, the elders sit in silence. Their patience brings fish to feed the tribe. As the day ends, the tribe gathers by the fire to share what was hunted, gathered, or fished. Others, in the meantime, craft stone tools and sharpen their weapons for tomorrow's survival. Another day has ended for our ancestors. Round these walls, they still speak to us.